here with Snooper waffles, and the idea behind these is to, or what some people do with them is they put them on top of their tea, like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess it soaks up the thing. This has cinnamon in it and some kind of vanilla, and what was the
Caramel inside.
and caramel inside there. So I don't know if you can see that. And there's the picture of the putting it on top of the tea. So that name again is Stroopwafels. Daelmans, Daelmans, one N. Daelmans since a long time ago, 1900-something, 1904. And this is the caramel flavor of these things. So these are called Stroopwafels. And it's a Dutch classic. And boy, look at this. Got all these things in here. And you would think that there wouldn't be a whole lot of those things in there, but okay, there's the front of the package. And here, let's see if this is doesn't seem to be getting hot. And the water's still steaming. So I guess
try it out.
we gotta let it warm up a little.
No, you can just try it.
Try it out? Okay. So we'll try it out. Yeah, it's a little flexible. I wonder if the other ones, if they come that way out of the package. That's what it looks like. So I'm not tasting the caramel or the vanilla. A little bit. Try again. Stroopwafels. Dutch Stroopwafels. And let's see how warm this water is in here for the tea. See. Well, the water is lukewarm. That water that we had before, the one that took a while to cool down, would have really strooped up these waffles. Strooped them up.
Yeah, maybe try it some other time too.
Yeah. Seems like you're doing a lot of hills.
Yeah. I hope I could get like over a mile.
Isn't that me going the wrong way?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, everybody's just running around. It's like a park. It's like a city. There's Dirk. Meatball. Oh, look at how fast he is. He's like, just doing it.
So didn't he say he was interviewing for some job? Did he
Yeah,
text
something
you
about
guys about it?
Best Buy or something? Yeah, Geek Squad. Or some other company. They already went around. Here's Lucas.
Well, now you got a tunnel. This is uphill too. All these hills.
Feel the burn. Whopper Jr.
You gotta have yourself a Stroopwafel. You scoop right up there. Drink some dandelion tea.
Oh, there you are. I'm blue. Eric.
I was going the other way before. Why did I turn around?
You heard about free food?
Yeah, so I caught a cord last night, right by the snake. I'm going over to tell Dennis something about the mic mechanic, and then when I came back, I caught it, and I felt I was catching it, so I thought I had it off, but it tagged me, and I went down.
I thought?
What kind of snake are we talking about? I thought it was a different one at first, but then it tagged
That's
you.
not your kind of snake.
Oh.
It's just a name that we use where everybody plugs in their microphone cables and
Like a hub.
their guitar cables. It's got, I think, 16 openings,
Like the nest?
and then the thing in the back for the
Where the mother goes?
PA and the monitor speakers.
Was it damp?
I hear a lot of similar words. Monitor, mother.
Then I'm watching this thing on some kind of travel log or something, one of those Indian nations or whatever. And there's a guy. You're gonna love this. The guy puts the snake head in his mouth and his tongue's licking him and everything.
I don't know how I feel about it.
And
Maybe we can do a snake charmer thing. I was researching that this week. I learned that it has nothing to do with the music. It's just because the flute is like above them. So they kind of do a little dance.
another hill. What is this? You know, in real life, you don't have a road this wide that doesn't have cars on it.
Yeah.
But you might get some little bike trail or something, so the mountain lions can jump on you when you run by.
Have you ever seen a mountain lion?
Only on the TV. Didn't care to look at one, be around one in person. But I guess they've been known to jump on top of people when
Yeah.
they're riding their bikes.
Yeah, it's a big cat.
Is that Helen?
It
It looks weird. It looks like one of those thumbs from Spy Kids.
Holy cat.
Another hill.
Oh,
Just
that's
hold things
that
up.
Woodman guy.
It's
Man.
destroyed me.
This is like you're running in a race here.
Yeah. Is that Whopper Jr. coming up on the yellow? Yeah.
Well, he's going downhill. He's happy.
Yeah, that's probably why he's going so fast.
Yeah,
Dell's
this is
coming up.
Del.
Yeah, in the blue.
I'm turning around and I'm going down.
He's lapping you.
Yeah, you lapped me like 3 times. Mrs. Berman. It was like a lunch lady or something.
Where's little Debbie?
Little Debbie's cupcakes.
Yeah, she needs me.
And then we need full-grown Deborah.
Wendy's.
I can't believe
Lucas.
these hills.
Look how tall Lucas is. Jersey Mike. Almost in a mile. There we go.
Is that like a 7-minute mile?
Yeah, I don't think that's that good. I don't know how much to swing this either.
So it's counting down backwards. What did it start at?
10. It's a 10-minute run.
So you've got almost 3/4 of it down.
Yeah, over. Yeah. I don't know. One more minute. Meatball.
How come some people are going off the other way then?
I don't know.
Ah,
I think you can.
downhill.
I think you can unlock different paths. This is just our first time trying the
About
10
a minute
minute.
and a half to go, and this part's downhill.
Yeah, we'll probably get around that bend and then we'll finish soon after.
Looks like you're at the top of the mountain now. Anything
Dirk.
That light,
Dirk's running with us.
that lighthouse.
Oh,
there.
Dirk's a slow runner here.
Well, he's a lineman. Linemen don't have to run fast.
There's Dell again.
They're going downhill.
It looks like Dirk's not even here anymore.
Well, who's that on the left there going so fast?
I don't know. I think that's Mrs. Berman or the lunch lady.
Lunch lady?
Oh, she fell
Oh!
too fast. That's Meatball in the red up there.
Now some downhill. Yeah, that lighthouse must have been on the top of the
Oh,
mountain.
I'm not gonna
there.
reach that
Makes
goal.
sense.
Oh, that's Wendy's. That was the guy.
Dave Thomas.
Dave. Oh, is it the Woodman guy? Or is it a Marcus guy? I don't remember.
Seems like everybody has to say something to you when they run by.
Yeah, they like showing off their characters that you make.